I've been using the WellsTrade Brokerage Account for a while now, and in this video, I'll share my honest and unbiased review. I'll cover all the essential points, including its key features, benefits, potential risks, and important considerations. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of whether the WellsTrade Brokerage Account is the right fit for your investment needs. Key features. The WellsTrade Brokerage Account is designed to give investors control and flexibility, making it an excellent option for managing your investments conveniently. Take control of your investments. WellsTrade lets you invest when, where, and how you want, offering tools and resources to support your financial goals. Comprehensive account management. Manage all your accounts in one place with a single sign-on. For your Wells Fargo Advisor, WellsTrade Brokerage Account, and Wells Fargo bank accounts. Diverse investment options. Trade a wide range of investments, including stocks, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, options, mutual funds, money markets, pricing, and transparency. Zero minimum balance. Open your WellsTrade account with no minimum deposit. Commission-free trades. Pay $0 per online stock and ETF trade. Mutual fund access. Enjoy no load and no transaction fee mutual fund options. Tools and resources. Advanced research and tools. Access real-time quotes and interactive charts. Ease of access. Trade from your computer, tablet, or smartphone anytime. Use the automated phone system for quick and seamless trades. Pros and cons. Pros. User-friendly interface. Easily manage investments and banking in one place. Commission-free trading. Save on fees with $0 commissions for stocks and ETFs. No minimum balance. Start investing without the pressure of a deposit requirement. Cons. Self-directed focus. Lacks advisory services for those who prefer guided investments. Fees for certain investments. Be mindful of charges for specific mutual funds or services. Limited perks for advanced traders. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions.